use it.
We're in the ultimate winter car. You know,
with summer tires.
Yeah. You know, but when your wife says you need a car with 5 seats, all-wheel drive for the winter, she says, "Sure, I'll go get a Jeep." Mm-hmm. Don't tell her you're going to go get the 707 horsepower Trackhawk, and she'll never know. Mm-hmm. So this is Dwayne with the SRT group, and whoa, I think Jeep recognizes most people are never going to take this car to a racetrack. But to know that you actually can do that is insane. There's a launch control button, which I love it. They've got yellow to green tree lights on the launch control button, just in case you weren't sure what it was for. And here we go. Now, getting the manual mode, you just flip that over to the left.
It's set up for pedal shifting anyway.
All right. I've driven everything on the track except an SUV. So this is a first for me. Brakes are a little soft, which is just fine on the street. Shifts are nice and crisp. Oh, Paul, you got plenty of room back there?
Oh yes, definitely plenty of room. I can almost cross my legs.
Well, four-wheel drive, really all-wheel drive. Oh, it does make violent upshifts in sport mode, so that's with manual shifting. But with the all-wheel drive system, you definitely, the rain out here is not bothering us one bit. The speed limit is bothering us a whole lot, but rain is not doing that. This thing wants to just get up and go. And the supercharger whine is such a nice sound. In addition to the exhaust and the motor, you get this nice little whine. You know, SRT takes their job really seriously. They really do consider themselves street racing technology, and they love making cars that go on racetracks. We did an event, it had to be 10 years ago, up at Road America. They brought the Dodge Magnum SRT out, had us flog it around Road America. I mean, they were proud as could be of that car, and it loved getting up and running. You gotta love the enthusiasm of the SRT crowd. So the steering is actually pretty linear. I've driven Jeep Cherokees before, Grand Cherokees, and the steering is definitely a lot crisper. This is not set up for off-roading, so they dialed in some very good manners. Ooh, those upshifts are nice and violent. You get a little pop out of the exhaust. This car is every bit as angry as you would expect a essentially Hellcat Jeep to be. It's working just fine. This car is all about the motor, the fact that you've got all-wheel drive, all-weather capability with 707 horsepower. This is the ultimate winter car for any car guy. Just don't tell the wife that it's got the supercharger. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button right there. And check out the rest of our channel for more great videos.